Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A2x, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have your power saving mode. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left to see the second page, and to be honest, I still don't see it. So what we're gonna do instead is click right here on these three dots and then select edit tiles, and it should be, well, somewhere here. You can see we have two different modes. We have the power saving mode and then we have the super power saving mode. Now I will add both of them just so we can get a look at how they differ. So this one will be the super power saving mode, and when I enable it by tapping on it, it changes to this. And right now I have 29% battery life, and apparently it will last me for additional 13 hours and 31 minutes. And as you can see, it does limit your device quite a bit. So no wallpaper, almost no apps visible right here. And in terms of your notifications shader right here, we also don't have almost any toggles visible. So obviously this mode prioritizes battery life. Now to leave it, we're gonna press right here on this exit button and select exit super power saving mode, and the device will go back to the normal mode. Now the second one is a little bit more traditional, a normal power saving mode. So when you enable it, it might just lower your screen refresh rate and the background activity and a couple additional things that you don't really notice. So there we go. And unlike the previous one, to turn this one off, find a toggle, tap on it, and you're good to go. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.